And back on the Local 6 Live line, here's something for anyone who uses fuel to drive or work, which at this point would likely include the majority of us. I'd like to introduce Jared English, President and CEO of HHO Carbon Clean Systems. And Jared, before we get into the systems you offer and what it's designed to do, give us some background on your credentials. What's your story?
Yeah, Dave, thanks for having me on. My entire career has been in the automotive and diesel repair industry. Started off, have a college degree in automotive technology, went on to start my own business, owned my own repair shop for 20 years, ASE Master Certified, past college professor of automotive technology at Shawnee Community College. So my entire career has been dedicated to solving problems in the automotive and diesel industry.
So let's talk about the systems you have in place. As I've heard, it's designed to save folks money on fuel and would be especially useful for those who drive a lot or perhaps have a fleet of vehicles. What does your system do and how does it work?
Yeah, Dave, so one of the major problems we were seeing in the industry was carbon buildup. All internal combustion engines have carbon buildup. It's a natural byproduct of the combustion process. We were using harsh chemicals and other harsh processes to clean those out before. So we developed a new way to do this using hydrogen. We have on-demand hydrogen machines. We run hydrogen through the engines while they are operating. The hydrogen has a chemical reaction with the carbon and actually turns it back into a gaseous state. We clean the combustion chambers, turbochargers, diesel exhaust filters. We've seen great success doing this on large fleets and even individual owners.
What feedback have you received from some of your customers as far as a percentage of savings, especially from those who may have fleets of vehicles? Maybe they spend tens of thousands of dollars in fuel each year. What's the feedback there? What type of savings are they getting?
Yeah, sure. So our fleet customers report back 9 to 12% savings on fuel economy and less breakdowns, which is a major part of their business. We're making the parts on these trucks last longer and less downtime in the shop.
We're watching some video of the machinery at work, but how does someone get started with taking advantage of this? Do you go to them? Do they come to you? What's the process?
Yeah, Dave, this is a total mobile service. So you give us a call, we schedule it, we come to you, whether you're a fleet or an individual customer. We do this on your time. When your vehicle is sitting still, whether it's nights, weekends, or early mornings, we want to make this as convenient as possible for our customers. So we're available all hours of the day. Okay,
so how often does this need to be done with a vehicle? Let's say you get it done today. How soon again will you need it done? Or does it depend on the mileage and how much you drive?
Yeah, Dave, so it depends a lot on how the vehicles are used. So slow-moving fleets with high idle times are, they're our focus, and they need it more often than others. So, we recommend once a quarter on the slow-moving fleets, and over-the-road trucks twice a year, and individual vehicles twice a year.
Now, if you're talking from 9 to 12% savings on fuel costs, for someone who has a business who perhaps has a fuel bill annually of $100,000 or more, this could amount to some substantial savings. Now, how can someone get in touch with you to get this done?
Yeah, sure. Give us a call, 1-800-278-6343. Jump online, check us out at HHOCarbonCleanSystems.com.
Okay, let's talk about a smaller scale for a moment. Perhaps individuals, and they notice that their gas mileage is not what it should be, not what it used to be. Do you service individual vehicles?
Yes, we do. Most gasoline services only last about 25 minutes. Diesel engines up to 45 minutes. So it's quick, easy. You give us a call, we'll come right to you and get it knocked out for you.
Okay. He is Jared English of HHO Carbon Clean Systems with a very interesting fuel-saving and exciting money-saving piece of technology. If you'd like to get in touch with them, there is more information at the bottom of the screen. We thank you for your time. Stay tuned. Midday continues in just a moment.